statement is a fact? Option 1, a player's career point total can be average. Option 2, different people value different attributes more than others. Option 3, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Option 4, some people might think that prison is not so bad. Question: a short phrase or sentence taken from a story and said in a larger type than the regular copy text is called a blank. Option 1, pull quote. Option 2, horoscope. Option 3, comic corner. Option 4, headline. Question: it was a great day for fishing. Eric and Alan took the boat to the lake to enjoy the day. Eric caught 5 fish before noon, and Alan only caught 1. Alan probably feels. Option 1, successful. Option 2, discouraged. Option 3, proud. Question: if all nations honestly believe that all human beings are free and equal in dignity and rights, what can you conclude about the statement? Option 1, people will all die. Option 2, wars cannot be stopped. Option 3, everybody will go to school. Option 4, there will be peace among nations. Question: a newspaper having pages half the size of those of a standard newspaper. Option 1, broadsheet. Option 2, narrative. Option 3, short story. Option 4, tabloid. Question: identify the underlined words if it used as an adjective or adverb. Sue is a careful girl. Option 1, adverb. Option 2, adjective. Question: identify the underlined word if it used as an adjective or adverb. They think English is an easy language. Option 1, adverb. Option 2, adjective. Question: choose the best adverb to complete the sentence. My parents have traveled blank, including such places as Palawan and Boracay. Option 1, merrily. Option 2, widely. Option 3, rarely. Question: choose correct preposition to make the sentence complete. After payment, you'll receive the product blank 10 business days. Option 1, within. Option 2, during. Option 3, inside. Question: choose correct preposition to make the sentence complete. I'd rather be single, blank, in a bad relationship. Option 1, instead. Option 2, then. Option 3, besides. Question: which of the following statement is a fact? Option 1, you cannot objectively measure humor. Option 2, awards are a matter of record. Option 3, some people think that doing TikTok will make them rich. Option 4, some people think that all this testing is necessary. Question: drawing conclusions. What is Mary's new job? Option 1, real estate agent. Option 2, store clerk. Option 3, not enough information given. Option 4, baker. Question: identify the underlined words if it used as an adjective or adverb. I find this very unlikely. Option 1, adjective. Option 2, adverb. Question: choose the best adverb to complete the sentence. Bob is ill blank, his father is a doctor. Option 1, easily. Option 2, fortunately. Option 3, finally. Question, a headline that appears on top of the main headline is called a blank. Option 1, subhead. Option 2, pull quote. Option 3, skyboxes. Option 4, kicker. Question, consists of alphabetical list of words with their meanings, parts of speech, pronunciation, syllabication and other information about a word. Option 1, encyclopedia. Option 2, dictionary. Option 3, almanac. Option 4, atlas. Question, identify the underlined words if it used as an adjective or adverb. I went over to comfort him and he looked at me sadly. Question, choose correct preposition to make the sentence complete. I have no experience, so I'm blank, a disadvantage when it comes to this job interview. Option 1, in. Option 2, with. Option 3, at. Question, a headline that appears on top of the main headline is called a blank. Option 1, pull quote. Question, choose the best adverb to complete the sentence. If they can't blank tell the truth, they will be free. Option 1, merrily. Option 2, plainly. Option 3, gaily. Question, choose the best adverb to complete the sentence. The workers are paid blank by their boss. Option 1, monthly. Option 2, merrily. Option 3, plainly. Question, collection of maps usually in a book format. Option 1, encyclopedia. Option 2, dictionary. Option 3, atlas. Option 4, almanac. Question, identify the underlined words if it used as an adjective or adverb. I tasted the soup carefully but it tasted wonderful. Option Question, choose correct preposition to make the sentence complete. Using your smartphone while driving is blank, the law. Option 1, against. Option 2, beyond. Option 3, despite. Question, the box giving the names of the publisher, editor, and other people who manage the departments of the newspaper company is called the blank. Option 1, masthead. Option 2, editorial cartoon. Option Question, a book often in many volumes which contains various topics arranged in alphabetical order. Option 1, almanac. Option 2, atlas. Option 3, encyclopedia. Option 4, dictionary. Question, choose the best adverb to complete the sentence. This patient takes his tablets blank. Option 1, nobly. Option 2, fortunately. Option 3, easily. Question, a yearly calendar containing information of important events and phenomena in the world. Option 1, atlas. Option 2, encyclopedia. Option 3, dictionary. Option 4, almanac. Question, a book that shows the faces of the graduates of a certain school. Option 1, Atlas. Option 2, Almanac. Option 3, Yearbook. Option 4, Dictionary. Question, drawing conclusions, what was the purpose of the note? Option 1, to entertain. Option 2, to thank. Option 3, to congratulate. Option 4, to inform. Question, a biography of a deceased person printed in the newspaper shortly after the death is announced. Option 1, obituary. Option 2, editorial page. Option 3, entertainment section. Option 4, classified ads. Question, choose correct preposition to make the sentence complete. My grandparents lived in that same house, blank, ages. Option 1, since. Option 2, for. Option 3, over. Question, complete the statement below. If there is no air in the moon, then, blank. Option 1, there will be no rocks. Option 2, you can breath. Option 3, water is abundant in that place. Option 4, living organisms will not survive. Question, identify the underlined words if it used as an adjective or adverb. Dogs rely on their noses as they can smell extremely well. Question, the sound scared Kelly. She did not want anyone putting any of those scary-looking tools in her mouth. What if they hurt her? Kelly is probably. Option 1, not a happy person. Option 2, at the dentist. Option 3, about to get her hair cut. Question, identify the underlined words if it used as an adjective or adverb. Mr. Jamisel is a good singer. Option 1, adjective. Option 2, adverb. Question, complete the statement below. If there is no air in the moon, then, blank. Option 1, you can breath. Option 2, living